Hi friends, good morning. I am Dhanesh. I would like to brief you about UBR audit and its importance. iCare team members are attending the UBR complaints regularly and post resolution they are supposed to fill the link parameters in the UBR audit format. This helps us to identify the infra condition both at BTS and customer end. We can able to identify the gaps like placement of equipment, quality of material and RF used in the link. So it is important that we need to educate our iCare team members to fill the information on real time basis. This will help us to reduce the complaint and enhance the customer experience. This below is the format which we used for doing the UBR audit, and this format is carrying all the prerequisite information which is essential for providing uninterrupted services to the customer. You can see all points are covered in this format. Now I will take you to the real time journey for conducting the UBR audit. Friends, now I am at BTS end. You can see the UBR link installed at the mast on the right leg. It is important to ensure that link always installed on the leg of the mast. Here you can see proper RF cable loop should be there, and it is tied properly with the mast. You can see here that cable is properly routed through cable tray and is going inside the shelter. It is important to check whether shelter door is properly closed or open. Here BTS door is closed. We are now going inside the shelter. You can see both POE and converter well placed on the rack, and proper labeling is updated on both the equipments. This will support our iCare team members to identify the link easily. And you can see here that proper labeling is there, right? We also need to check the cable used in the link. It is mandatory to use armored cable. Now we are at the mux end. Here you can see cable is properly punched in the crown, and even in the even cable proper labeling is there to identify the port details. Also we need to check whether AC working and the availability of the battery bank. This will ensure us and help us to address the HRT issue and backup of the site during the power failure. This is how we have to update all the information in the UBR audit at the BTS end. Now let's move to the customer end. In the second phase of the UBR audit, we are at the customer end. Here you can see that pole is properly installed and with having proper fabrication of base, and UBR is properly installed at the pole, right, with proper looping of the cable, and cable laying is properly done at the customer end. This is the outer part of the at the customer end. We have to ensure that base should be properly constructed and pole is properly fixed on the base. Now we should go inside the customer premises. See, at both ends, BTSs as well as customer end, proper loop is there and UBR properly installed at both ends. Now we are going to now we go to the inside the customer premises to check the installation of POE. POE is very well placed at the customer end.